Head on ice for 10 seconds and look what happened. You need to know this trick. I will show you everything that happens when you dare to put your head in water with ice. Many do not know what this unusual trick is for, but I assure you that as soon as you know it, you will start doing it, and you will thank me forever. But before showing you what it is for to put your head in cold water, I will tell you some other uses that you can give ice, and that will be very useful to you. Number 1, reduce dark circles. The bags under the eyes are formed due to an inflammation under the skin. By applying an ice cube daily for 5 seconds, the inflammation is lowered and the size of the dark circles is considerably reduced, causing them to disappear over time. Number 2, undressing difficult clothing. It is horrible to be ironing and that the wrinkles are not smooth. To avoid this, you just have to wrap an ice cube in a cloth and rub it on the wrinkled clothes. Then iron as you usually do. You will see that in one go, the clothes will be totally smooth. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me so that I can greet you in my next videos. Number 3, reduce bruises. Bruises tend to cause pain and attract a lot of attention. To reduce them, apply ice on the damaged area. The cold causes the capillary vessels to close more quickly, reducing inflammation. Number 4, restore the old rice. If you have leftover rice and you put it in the refrigerator, you can always restore it to make it as delicious as when you prepared it. Just place an ice cube on the plate and place it in the microwave for 2 minutes. It will melt little by little and the rice will absorb the moisture, making it juicy and delicious. Do the test and you will see. Number 5, irritate the skin after shaving. It is very common that when we shave our eyebrows, the eyelid gets irritated and reddish. To alleviate the pain, place an ice cube in the affected area and rub until the discomfort subsides. Number 6, refresh the room. When the temperature is high and the fan does not cool the room completely, you can use ice. Place a container full of ice in front of the fan, and when the fan blows on the ice, you will feel a delicious and refreshing breeze. Now that you know several uses you can give to ice, it's time to tell you what it's like to immerse your face in ice. Ice has many positive benefits for the face. It is a powerful homemade antifungal as it closes the dilated pores. It also serves to thicken, keep the collagen circulating in the skin, and remove impurities such as blackheads. Dip your face twice a week for 10 seconds and your skin will thank you. Today's greeting is for Rena Marine from Venezuela and for Frank Salazar from Cuba. Thank you for watching our content. Help me take this video to someone who needs to know.